Some of what was once Crozer Health has been acquired. Meanwhile, electric bills are going up starting this weekend. Pittsburgh has shut down another bridge. And if you love hockey, this city's the place for you. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and you're listening to Today in PA. Wilmington-based health system ChristianaCare just won a $50.3 million auction bid to acquire what were once 5 Crozer Health outpatient locations, reports Why. This bid won't resurrect the whole system, but it is looking to provide a critical boost to address healthcare needs in the region. Which services it's looking to bring back and expand upon, however, are still unknown. Said ChristianaCare President and CEO Dr. Janice Nevin via statement, quote, "As we work to meet the needs of our Delaware County neighbors, we are glad that ChristianaCare is able to take on these outpatient centers and provide stability and continuity of access to care for patients. This bid is subject to court approval." Starting this Sunday, June 1st, PICO bills are going up, reports Why, by an average $8 a month. And they're going up in part due to a supply and demand crunch on the regional grid, as run by PGM Interconnection, who climate activists are blaming for the price increase because they're sluggish at connecting new green energy sources in favor of fossil fuel. And PGM, in turn, is pointing the finger at climate activists who, in the words of spokesman Jeff Shields, quote, actively work to push critical power resources off of the system, raising prices and threatening reliability. The increased demand thanks to power centers, electrification of vehicles and heating systems, and, quote, a resurgence in U.S. manufacturing, unquote, are also contributing to this rise in price, according to PGM officials. PICO customers can expect to see a 10% increase in their bills phased in through December 2026 thanks to higher capacity costs. For the second time in 7 months, Pittsburgh officials have shut down a bridge for an emergency closure following an inspection, states the Pittsburgh Union Progress. Inspectors found structural problems with the Heron Avenue Bridge between Lawrenceville and Polish Hill this week after the bridge has been listed as being in poor condition for more than 5 years. The city has said it isn't sure how long emergency repairs will take. The bridge is expected to reopen before a full rehabilitation that's scheduled to start in 2028, though. The Panther Hollow Bridge in Shenley Park was the other bridge that closed back in October. The Stanley Cup playoffs are underway, says PennLive. And if you're in Pittsburgh watching, you're in the 3rd best city for hockey lovers in the country. This is according to a recent Wallet Hub study, which placed Detroit in 2nd and Boston in 1st. Philadelphia, by the way, got an honorable mention in 12th overall. Happy Friday. Just so you know, I will be out starting Monday through the following Monday and will return on the 10th. But don't worry, I already have some light episodes for you. Until the 10th, I'm Claudia Dimuro. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you when I see you for more Today in PA.